BBAI stock analysis next week, Monday. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm breaking all of this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in the stock trading space with an actual 43,000 video track record and 5 years of experience proof documented on my YouTube channel. And it wasn't until I paid mentors tens of thousands of dollars that I learned the skills that everything changed, which you obviously don't have to do. This is what I did. Especially BigBear AI, they're just beautiful, you know. Like beforehand, I got 3 longs on this way up. And over 5 longs that I got 3 wins, 2 break-evens, right? Just recently got 2 break-evens, and that's fine because break-evens are just plus 0R, you know, there's nothing there. No loss, no losing, no winning. Kind of sucks because I would much rather prefer to win, right? No one likes losing. But in this case, for me, going into this next week, the only thing that I would care about is if the price does pull down and shows me the double break confirmation. And guess what? If that doesn't happen, then I am not touching it whatsoever. With BBAI, I also have a bunch of receipts right here in the disk. With 84 results, it's not small. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, just click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.